Good evening, children of class 5. Welcome to your language class, English language class. In my previous class, we have finished simple continuous tense. Today, we will do simple past tense. This is your lesson number 14. Now, what does means past? Past means something which has already done. যে কাজটা করা হয়ে গেছে, ওকে, जो काम हो गया है, ঠিক আছে, যে কাজটা আমরা করে নিয়েছি, ইটস অলরেডি বিন ফিনিশড, দ্যাট ইজ পাস্ট। ওকে, নাও সিম্পল পাস্ট টেন্স, খুব সিম্পলভাবে কোনো পাস্ট টেন্স সম্পর্কে বলা, দ্যাট ইজ সিম্পল পাস্ট টেন্স। আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড? নাও লেট আস রিড দ্য sentences. The children played during lunch break. Played. So play is the verb and ed means when you're writing something in past tense, you have to write ed. So ed has been added. Next, the girl left the building. Leave, left. You must have learned about present, past and past participle. So there you must have gone through this word left. The girl left the building. Meta building chide chole gache. Ritesh climbed. Climb is verb. Ed means past tense. So climbed a ladder. ठीक है? Suraj ate a bun. सूरज ने एक बन खा लिया. His eating is over. The men built a bridge. Built means men, लोगों ने ये ब्रिज बना लिया, काज करा होए गेछे. That's why built. So children, you must have noticed that in all the sentences, the verbs used are in past form. The verbs used over here are in past form. That means when we are writing a simple past tense sentence, then we have to use verb but in past tense. Understand you all? Now you see here definition is also given. The words in bold are verbs. I have told you that are simple past tense. A verb in the simple past tense tells us about an action that has already happened in the past time. जे काजटा आगे ही करा होए गेछे, already happened, आगे हो चुका है, उसे कहते हैं past tense. Now, simple past tense of verbs can be written in different ways. आलादा आलादा भावे एगुलोके रेखा जाए. Now we will learn how we have to write verbs in the simple past tense. Okay, Lena dreamt. Here you have seen ed, ate, and here it is t. So t has been added over here to signify the presence of past tense. Lena dreamt of buying a new bicycle. रीना ने सपना देखा था कि वो एक नई बाइसाइकिल खरीदेगी. स्वप्न देखे छिलो. The girl wept tea bitterly. बुरी तरह लड़की रो रही थी. We slept tea early last night. So some verbs are there which end with t to show that they are in past tense. Some ends with ed, marched, enjoyed, braided. ठीक है ना? So they are ending with ed. Here also we have seen ed, climbed, played, right? So some verbs are ending with ed to show that they are in past tense, and some verbs are totally changed by their words like ate, saw, wore, right? So in this three forms we can use past tense and use in the simple past tense. Now let's see what exercises are given. Change these sentences from the simple present tense to the simple past tense. এই সেন্টেন্সগুলোকে সিম্পল প্রেজেন্ট টেন্স থেকে সিম্পল পাস্ট টেন্সে নিয়ে যেতে হবে। মানে যে ভার্বগুলো প্রেজেন্টে দেওয়া রয়েছে সেগুলোকে ইউ হ্যাভ টু চেঞ্জ টু পাস্ট টেন্স, লাইক হেল্পস, হেল্পড, রাইট? You have to keep in mind what you have learned in the junior classes. Go, went, gone. So, went is the past tense. Do, did, done. Did is the past tense. Come, came, come. Came is the past tense. Understand? Now, one has already been done. We'll start from two. Sarita reads magazines in the afternoon. Sarita she reads the magazine in the afternoon. So what will be read? What is the past tense of read? Read, read, read. So Sarita read magazines in the afternoon. The band plays the function. Here in the previous page we have seen that when we are changing play to past tense, it becomes played. So it will be the band played at the function. Katha goes to school. Go, went, gone. So what will be went? Katha went to school. The lychees look delicious. Look, this is present. To give the impact of past tense, you will write ed, looked. The lychees looked delicious. The fishermen go out on a boat. Past of go, went. So the fisherman went out on a boat. Beena keeps the money safely in her purse. Beena keep past tense, kept. So here it will be kept. Beena kept the money safely in her purse. Manoj sharpens his pencil by bin. What is verb? Sharpen मतलब छीलना, पेंसिल को छीलना, पेंसिल काटा. So sharpened, PENED, ED add hobe. The monkeys eat peanuts. Past tense of eat, ate. The monkeys ate peanuts. The teacher speaks to the students. Speak, spoke, spoken. So it will be the teacher spoke to the students. Understand you all? Now this is A, that is today is 2021. Okay, this is your classwork and this will be your homework. Complete these sentences by using simple past tense forms of the words in the box. See, words are given in the box. You have to put them according to the sentences. This I will not tell you. I'll just tell you the meaning of the words. Drink, জল খাই, drink যেটা লিকুইড কিছু খেলে we use drink. Sting means ফোটানো, ঘুল ফোটানো. Drill ফুটো করা. Fly ওড়া. Lean মানে ঝুঁকে পড়া. ওকে. Sail boat sail মানে সমুদ্রে যাওয়া. Break ভেঙে যাওয়া, টুট জানা. Drive when you drive something, চালানো ইয়া চালানা. Leave left ছেড়ে চলে যাওয়া. এই লিভ মানে কিন্তু পাতা নয়, ঠিক আছে? ডোন্ট মিক্স ইট আপ উইথ লিভস অফ দ্য ট্রিজ. দিস ইজ মিনস ওয়েন ইউ আর লিভিং আ প্লেস, চলে যাচ্ছ কোনো জায়গার থেকে. কুক when you are cooking a food. So this will be your homework. Do it and send it to me. Okay children, thank you.